Welcome to Paynet Coin. So let me start by greeting you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So simple house rules. Ako muna. Silence please if you have questions sa dulo natin pag-usapan. Anyway, this is Zoom meeting naman. So one mouth rule talaga ito. Again, evolution of money. Started with barter trading and then gold minting and then metal coins, lumabas yan, paper money and then plastic and then electronic money which is debit credit card, no? Ngayon, it's already cryptocurrency is here. Now, kung wala ka pang cryptocurrency, makinig ka rito. So, kung gusto mo makahawak ng pera in your digital wallet, just listen. Okay. So, these people are involved in cryptocurrency. Ito mga multi-billionaires na po ito. And they're saying the future of money are digital currencies. And then, Robert Kiyosaki says crypto is the people's money. Now, Elon Musk, one of the richest also, is sabi niya, paper money is going away. Kasi papasok na po ang cryptocurrency. Actually, nandito na, no? So, I'll just forward this one. What is cryptocurrency? This is a video. No, uh, blockchain. I'm sure narinig yung blockchain. Blockchain is a digital database or ledger, which is also public. This is used for peer-to-peer network. Now, blockchain is a storage technology used for saving data on decentralized network. When you say decentralized, no one is doing the admin. So central banks are centralized. May nag-handle, may nagko-control. Pagka naka-blockchain ka and it is decentralized, meaning walang nagko-control. It's just a system. So pagkaya po dito sa pagka naka-blockchain at decentralized, withdrawing and depositing is done in a very quick manner. Ganon po yun. So though this is a public ledger, no, nakikita yung mga transactions, pero hindi makikita yung mga pangalan natin. Everything is encrypted. Okay? When you say encrypted, may mga hash lang or may mga 34 characters lang na address or vault addresses. Now, that's in blockchain. US is holding one of the largest holder of Bitcoin. No, used to be China but now it's US. Now, panglima po na pinakamaraming nagki-cryptocurrency or holder ng cryptocurrency ang Pilipinas. So kung ikaw Pilipino ka at wala kang cryptocurrency sa or digital wallet diyan, aba mag-isip ka na, pakinggan mo lang 'to. So, payment cryptocurrency, si Paynet Coin. While Bitcoin is it's storage cryptocurrency. Taguan. Okay? Pang-wallet lang yan. Pero pag sinabing payment cryptocurrency, ginagamit yan sa bilihan, bentahan. So, mataas ang anong tawag nito, exchange activities yan. Yung sinasabi po ditong stable coin, ito, stable coin. USDT po is influenced by dollar. Kaya tinawag na stablecoin si USDT. While ang Ethereum naman, ang tawag dyan, utility coin. Ginagamit po yan sa mga smart contracts. Central bank, when you say central bank is centralized. Meaning may nag-handle niya, may nagko-control, may sumisilip. So, ang blockchain ay decentralized. Walang sumisilip, walang nag-admin, walang nagko-control ng deposit or withdrawal mo, no? Okay. If you miss Bitcoin, this is your time na makaipon ka ng coin through Paynet. Now, Bitcoin when I started, wala pa itong 1,000 piso. So wala pang 1,000 pesos. Ngayon po it's around 6 million. So if you miss Bitcoin, sumabay ka dito sa amin with having Paynet coin. No, kailangan meron ka nito. It started no noong 2021, ang Pinecoin or Paynet coin 0.001 lang yan. Ngayon, tumataas siya ng 0.51, 0.47, 0.49, ganun po yan. So, it is your time na magkaroon ng Bitcoin. And it is predicted na by 2028, tataas po magkakaroon ng $1,000 value si Paynet Coin. No? Sa ngayon po, half dollar pa lang. In time, mas mabilis po ang pag-angat ngayon kaysa kumpara nung pagpasok ni Bitcoin. Pagpasok ni Bitcoin, hinatak po lahat ng mga coins, no, nagkaroon ng magandang value because of Bitcoin. Lalo po ngayon. Lalo nung po si Trump, no? So, what is Paynet Coin? Paynet Coin is the most anticipated digital coin in 2021. Paynet Coin is owned by FMC Pay. FMC Pay is their exchanger. So, pag meron kang coin at wala kang exchanger, kahit mataas ang value niyan, hindi mo na mapapalitan, walang kwenta. Pero ang maganda, si Paynet Coin may sariling exchanger. Bakit? Ang exchanger niya, yung FMC Pay. And FMC Pay is based in the US. It's decentralized, it's secured, and it has a blockchain technology. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, more than 4 years na po, no? Or going 5 years na, si Paynet, no single issue pa. Kahit isang red flag, wala. So, it's globally accepted. Nasa more than 15 to 16 countries na po ito. So, all-time high, all-time low niya ito. 0.001, 0.52. Now, FMC Pay is an exchanger. Parang money changer sa tabi dyan, no? Mayroong mga money changer dyan, magbibigay ng dollar mo or whatever, ng yen, ng Korean won, papalitan nila ng piso. Exchanger po tawag doon. Ito naman, digital exchanger. It is a digital exchanger, pero ang exchanger po ito ng cryptocurrency. Now, ang maganda, um, may may mga cryptocurrency na dito na nako-convert from Pine to USDT, Pine to Tron or to Tether, yan. Ethereum, pwede po dito. So anyway, pagka na-convert mo sa Tron or sa USDT, pwede mo na-convert sa Bitcoin. Pwede mo na-convert sa Ethereum, no? Pwede ka na makabili using USDT. Pero Pine po ang pinanggalingan. So FMC Pay is the our exchanger. Now, highly tradable po ang Pine. Kung makikita nyo dito, Pine against USDT. So, ang network po na ginagamit ni Pine, network meaning yung backup niya is USDT. That's basically yung Tron, no? And then nasa coin market cap na po ang ating Pine coin. May value na po siya. Okay? So, nung in-screenshot ko ito, 0.4744 lang. Pero ngayon po nasa 0.49 po yan or half a dollar. So, Pinecoin to peso. Paano mo mahahawakan ng ang Pinecoin na maging peso? Kung meron kang GCash, pwede. Kung may PDAX, kung meron kang CoinSpage, at kung meron kang Maya. These are the wallets na meron tayo dito, yung mga digital wallets. Pwede rin po direct deposit sa bangko. Union Bank, Security Bank, and RCBC. Now, the roadmap, by 2025 ngayon, dapat nasa Binance na tayo, more or less, papasok this year. However, ma-adjust po ito hanggang 2026 to be a global payment system na si Paynet Coin kasi ginagamit na po ng mga communities to all around the 16 countries. Okay? So, dumadami po ang merchants sa atin every day as we talk. Okay? So, token proceeds. Yung blue dito sa side na makikita ninyo, yung kalahati niyan, yan po yung diluted part na. When you say diluted part, nakakalat na po yung 395 million worth of Pinecoin. Nakakalat na po yan, diluted na. Ginagamit na po ng mga tao sa peer-to-peer, meaning peer-to-peer, people-to-people exchange. Okay? So, may mga tao na po, may mga nagkikip o nag-hoard, may hawak na po o nag-hold ng Pinecoin. And you have to be one of them. Now, ecosystem niya. Kung mapapansin natin, ang Paynet Coin has an exchange to coin of exchange, 220 million. 220 million dollars. Paynet Coin. Ito po yung mga unang lumabas. And then, we have our own blockchain system. So, this is decentralized. Pag sinabing decentralized, huwag ka matakot kasi wala nagko-control. Bukas sarado na. Or hindi ka pay-outan o pay-outan ka lang kung kailan gusto. Ito hindi po. Once, in just seconds po or minutes, nasa sa bank mo or wallet mo na yung Pinecoin mo pag pinalitan mo. Pag in-exchange mo to USDT to any bank, no? So, FMC coin, ito yung backup coin natin, FMC coin. Nasa FMC Pay. Nasa exchanger po natin yan. So, ginagamit na rin po ito ng ibang merchants. That's like ito yung pinakasikat, itong si Heyo Trip. So, kung makita, CoinCap News, yan. We have a lot of activities, kaya lumalaki ang value ng ating Pinecoin. All-time high ito dati, no? 0.5165. Yun yung all-time high niya. So, kung makikita nito, yung total supply, 560 pines. Maximum supply, 560 pines. 560 million pines, sorry. Ang nasa labas na po, yung nasa circulation na, it's 395 million na. This was months ago. Ngayon po, mas lumaki na po yan. No? Na-breakout na rin po natin itong 0.5165 na halaga ng Pinecoin. Umabot na po ng 0.52. na breakout niya na yan. So, it is possible na mag-reach ng $1 eventually. Okay, so kung wala ka pang Pinecoin, now is the time na magkaroon ka ng Pinecoin, mag-hold ng Pinecoin. Because it's appreciating, okay? So, this graph shows that yung graph nung mag-start si Bitcoin at yung graph na mag-start si Pine, okay? Tinignan dito. Maganda yung increment, yung trajectory, pataas. Pine versus Bitcoin. And this is Pine versus Ethereum. And this is Pine versus Binance or BNB Smart Chain. Okay? So pataas din siya. Ang ganda ng kanya activity. So, yung iba, yung kulay pula, volatile. Grabe yung activity, yung movement. Now, Hey You Trip is parang itong Airbnb. Nagagamit na po yung Pinecoin natin sa pag-book ng hotel, pagbili ng plane ticket, travel and tours. So highly acceptable na po ang Pinecoin. So kung ako sa inyo, pwede mong gamitin yung Pine pero mas maganda hino-hold nyo. Antayin nyo magkaroon ng tamang value. Sayang eh. Okay? Now, ito po yung mga countries na napuntahan na nung nag-travel yung ating ilang traveler, no? Napuntahan na nila po ito using their Pinecoin. Okay? So, having leisure and pleasure while doing business with Paynet. Okay? Ayan ang beauty niyan. Okay? So, tignan nyo to. How to multiply your coin or Paynet coin. Tignan nyo to. It's through staking. Staking is the modern way of acquiring coins or tokens. Nung una, nagma-mining ka pa. Yung nga pong isang coin, no? Yung Pi Network, nagma-mine ka sa cellphone. May value na rin po yun ngayon. Ganon din ito, no? Nagkakaroon na rin po ito may ganda na rin po ang value ng Pinecoin, ng Pinetcoin. Now, you can acquire staking, you just subscribe or purchase a plan, no? And then you stake. So binibigyan ka ng percentage ng Pinet dito, okay? Sa FMC Pay. Now, advantages of staking, it's easy to use. Number two, it does not require high technical or crypto knowledge. Hindi mo kailangan ng mga gadgets or computer or highly mga malaking computer o mamahaling computer to maintain. No? Number three, number one, napakagandang source po ng passive. Passive, means passive, yung wala kang ginagawa pero kumikita yung pera mo. Passive income. Okay? Then the reward is calculated on a percentage basis. Kasi bakit? Maximum of 9% lang ibinibigay nila sa atin out of 27 to 35% na nagiging profit ng FMC Pay or ng Paynet Coin. So from the 27 to 35% na profit nila, ang binibigay sa atin, 9% lang maximum. Okay? So, ito lang, please take note. Staking program is only up to December 31, 2028. After niyan, wala na. Okay? Batiin to. Diluted na po lahat ng coins by that time. That's their prediction. Pero ang nakita kasi nila, hindi yung exponential growth when they said this one. Ang bilis po ng growth ng ng community nito. It's multiplying. It's in exponential growth. Okay? So, ito yung game plan. Listen, game plan. Pakinggan nyo to. Ang game plan natin dito sa Paynet is to purchase or subscribe plans. Okay? Kung kaya mo one plan, go for it na. So ang isang plan ay worth 180,000 in pesos or $3,000 times 9%. That's absolute. Basta ang capital mo o subscription mo is $3,000, automatic yun, 9% po yun. And yung 9% mo, bibigyan ka ng $9 kada araw. Okay? Ito, daily yield. Yung monthly yield niyan, that's $270 kada buwan. Sa piso, it's around 15 to 16,000. Now, nakalak po ang ating subscription ng 24 months. So, ganito yan. Kikita ka ng $270 for 24 months. On the 24th month, babalik pa yung kapital mo. That's why, magiging $9,300 yung inyong 3,000. Kasi bakit? It's multiplied to 310%. Okay. Dito naman, kung kaya mo naman magtatlong plan, bibili ka ng tatlong 3,000, it's $9,000, 540,000 pesos po yan. Ang daily yield, ang monthly yield niyan, tatanggap ka ng almost more or less 46,000 to 47,000. Ito po yun, no? This is times 58. So yung 5.540 mo magiging 1.6 more or less sa loob po ng 2 taon or 24 months. Plus, plus pa ito nung kapital kasi times 20, 310% yan, no? So yung 9,000 mo times 3, that's $27,000. Times 310%. Now, kung kaya nyo naman ng 10 plans, $30,000 ang capital, 1.8 million sa piso, ang tatanggapin nyo dito is around 156 or 157,000 kada buwan. That's guaranteed, no? And you can withdraw anytime you want. Basta minimum of $10. Okay? Basta po ang capital ka, multiply it by 3,000 o by 310%. Ganun po yun. So, visualize mo. Kung kaya mo mag 10 plans, mag 20, visualize mo. What if meron kang 100 plans? Making or giving you $270 per plan times 100, that's $27,000 kada buwan. Okay? Legit po ito. Hindi niyo kailangan pagdudahan kasi this is staking. Kasi bakit? Tumataas ang value ng coin. And they also make a profit of around 27% to 35%. 9 lang binibigay sa atin. Okay. Kung makikita niyo to, PayNet Passive Program. Now, this is suggested, no, ginawa ko tong programa na to for organizations or cooperatives. Usually, tatanungin natin ng organization or co-op, um, if you want your money to make at least 1 million a month, you need to avail or subscribe at least mga 63 plans. To 63 plans is around $189,000. That's around almost 11 million pesos. 10,962,000. 63 plans yan. Pero ang ibibigay naman yan sa'yo kada buwan, no? Guaranteed is almost 1,985,580 pesos ang matatanggap mo dyan. So multiply natin. 17,010. Okay? Multiplied by 24 months. Meron kang, oh, mali. 17,010. Tama. Times 24 months equals multiply this by 58 per dollar, no? Ang babalik sa iyo 23 million. Ang kikitain mo, it's around 23,677,920. Take note, namuhunan ka ng around 11. Multiply this by 310%. Bakit? Sa loob ng 2 years. So, babalik pa yung kapital mo na plus 10,962,000. Yan, babalik pa po yan. Yung 10 million mo equals yan. Ang matatanggap mo nito more or less nasa 33, 34 million. Babalik sa inyo yan in 2 years time of staking. Okay? So, this plan, 61, this person, which is my upline, meron siyang 61 plans, no? Nung panahon na ito. Ang tinatanggap niya na is around 955 million. 955,000, almost a million. Pero ngayon po, it's more than that, no? This is few months ago eh. Siguro ngayon po nasa around 100 plans or 70, 80 plans na siya ngayon. Hindi na ho yan ang tinatanggap niya. Yung sa staking lang po yan kada buwan. Ha? Hindi po monthly ang pagkuha ng, pwede niyong kunin anytime, any day. Basta meron kayong pang gas fees. Pero ang suggestion kasi namin, or advice nila, is at least mas maganda makuha mo every 15 days or every month para ho hindi malaki ang deduction. Okay. Yung gas fee na tinatawag. So, hoarding and liquidity. Assuming, sa ngayon po, 0.51 ang current price niyan ng Pine. Kada $270, meron katapat yan na 530 Pines. So, pwede ka makaipon ng 10,000 Pines sa loob ng 24 months. E tumaas from 0.51. Pwede mag $1. Meron kang $10,000 kung 10,000 ang Pine. One Pine is $1. Paano kung nag $10 ang isang Pine? Meron kang $100,000. $100,000 is around more or less 6 million. Paano kung nag $100 ang one pine, meron kang $1 million, that's 50 million pesos, 60 million. Di ba? Paano kung $1,000 by 2028 umabot ang pine? Meron kang 10 million US dollars with just by simply holding the pine coin or the Pinet coin. Okay? This is also one way of making money aside from staking. Now, take a look at this. Bakit tumataas ang value ng Pinet coin? Because of the law of supply and demand. And ang participation is to create big communities. We have to build big communities na kada may mag-staking, that's dumadami ang communities. Basta nag-purchase ka ng Pine, sumama ka sa staking, nag-subscribe ka, matik yun. You are part of the community. And take note, 560 million lang ang total supply niya. Ngayon ay nasa almost 400 million ang nasa labas. 160 million na lang, sandali na lang yan. Okay? So bull run started last quarter of 2024 and it will last for at least 1.5 to 2 years. So pag sinabing bull run, nagmamadali ang tao, no? Na magkaroon, mag-acquire ng coin. Eh, swak sa bull run si Paynet Coin. So, panalo tayo ngayon. For almost 2 years, panalo tayo hanggang 2028. Tatagal pa yan, bull run na yan. Okay? Parang panahon ng Bitcoin, kala nila hanggang dun lang sa Bitcoin sa value na yun. Eh, tuloy-tuloy ang bull run. Tuloy-tuloy din ang pag-akit niya. Swerte ng mga nagkaroon. Swerte ng mga nag-hold. Yun lang. Ako hindi naka-hold. Anyway, kumikita tayo sa staking, kumikita tayo sa holding or hoarding. Pwede din po tayong kumita by simply referring. Ano? Uy, mare, pare, sumali ka dito, mag-stake ka dito, mag-subscribe ka dito, mag-avail ka ng plan ni Paynet Coin. Tingnan nyo to. Sa taas, you, and then may kita nyo to, left plan holders, right plan holders, and then sales match bonus. So meaning, meron siyang angking tinatago na um, may tinatago siyang binary income. Okay? Ito yan, ito yan, ito yan, ito yan, 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 yan. One plan, meron kang one plan, so may nag-one plan sa left mo, may nag-one plan sa right mo, you get 5% na referral commission. Okay? That's 150 pesos. Oh, dollars. 8,700 8,700 pesos. Now, tingnan nyo to. Meron kang isa na referral sa left, meron kang sa referral sa right. Magkakaroon ng sales match. You make 8% of the 3,000. That's $240. Sa piso, 13,920. So, dyan pa lang, meron ka ng 20 mil. Tama? Now, paano kung sa left mo, tingnan nyo to, sa ilalim, 63 plans, okay? Sa left mo, may nag-subscribe na kooperatiba or organization. And bumili sila ng 63 plans. Automatic, $189,000 or 10,962 ang magiging kapital nila. And you get 5% of that amount. Okay? Sa piso, it's 548,100. Eh, dalawa yung organization or kooperatiba na pinasok mo. Isa sa left, isa sa right. Diyan pa lang meron ka ng 1.1 million. Eh, yung sales match mo, tinan niyo po. Yung sales match mo, magkakaroon ng pairing yan. So, matic yun, 8% ng 10.9 million. That's 876,000. So, almost around 2 million pesos po ang magiging take home mo rito. Na, grabe, no? So, tamo, dali na tayo. Hindi tayo mangi-scam. This is legit. So, i-share mo ito sa may mga organization, kooperatiba na gusto lumaki yung pera nila. I-share nyo si Paynet Coin. Okay. So, while thinking lang. One left co-op, one right co-op. Nako, grabe. Milyon agad. Now, sample encashments. Ito pong isa, in-encash, no? Sa kaliwa, ito. Pinasok sa GoTime. Yung isa, Cameco Trade, sa trading, no? So, yung isa, Rizal Banking, RCBC. And then BPI ito, encashment. Ito, diretso, lahat ito sa BPI, itong dalawang to. And then ito pangatlo sa RCBC. Okay. Promos and car travel incentive. Yan. Okay. Nakalagay dito, week leg requirement. Yung week leg mo, yung pinakamababang value. Pag umabot ng 15,000, you get $125. So, ganyan po yun. Pagka naka-reach ka ng sa week leg mo ng 50,000 worth of production, meron kang bonus. Again, reach the rank of diamond, then kasama ka sa Asian Cruise. Upline po nagbibigay nito, hindi company. And then, you reach these ranks, pwede ka magkaroon ng SUV or you can go and convert it to cash. Okay? Okay. So, ito po yung mga tinamasa kong income noon, no? During sa ibang company ito. Pero it's in Bitcoin, converted to dollar. So, 5,000, 4,000, $11,000 in just 1 week. Ito yung nilalagay ko sa aking bank account lang, ganyan. Pero karamihan nasa Bitcoin. Kasi Bitcoin eh. Okay? Kung makikita niyo ito, grabe oh. Yung Bitcoin nasa baba po. Yan. Ang halaga ng Bitcoin, 4,558. 4,588. 5,000, 5,000, 11,000. So, ito naman, dito ko kasi dinanas kumita ng makahawak ng kalahating milyon to 1.3 million kada linggo sa cryptocurrency. Hindi ko to dinanas sa products. No? So, tatlong 5,000, isang almost 8,000. That's 1.3 million. Isang date lang po yan, makikita nyo, May 2021. May 3, 2021. Okay, lahat po yan ay pumasok sa wallet namin. Ito yung account ko. Isang account ko lang po ito. Ang total earnings niya, when I was doing this company, it's around $101,000. That's 6 million pesos na higit. No? May withdrawal pa nga akong 549,000 dyan, no? Nung kinunan ko ito. And I have 5 accounts. Apat lang to nandito, nakikita nyo. I have 5 accounts na kumita ng ganyan. So, ganyan ang buhay or ganyan ang returns or rewards in doing staking, trading, mining, arbitrage. Ganyan. Okay, so I'm encouraging you to try Painted Coin kahit with one plan. Yun nga lang, kung may pera ka rin lang, sayang kung one plan ka lang. If you can make it a 3 or 10 or even more, go for it. Kasi the more plans, the more passive income. Okay? So it is predicted also na tataas ang one pine to $1,000. Ngayon po it's less than $1. Pero pwedeng bukas mag $1 yan. The other week pwede mag $2, $5, $10. After a year, that's possible na umabot ng 400, 500. By 2028, that's possible na maging $1,000 ang isang pine. So hold it, keep it, convert nyo lang to fiat money or to panggastos yung iba. And then hold and keep more Pine Coin. Thank you very much. So whatever questions you have, you pwede na pong tanungin. Just contact the one who sent this to you. Thank you. I'll stop sharing and stop recording.